Welcome to this channel, guys, and I will be an instructor in this course. So in this course I will teach you how can we implement a navigation drawer using Flutter. So for doing this, first we need to create a new Flutter project, and I can choose a new Flutter project and select Flutter application. Next, and we can call it Flutter drawer design. Okay, it should be underscore. Okay, okay, so now hit next and finish. Okay, it will take few time to complete this Gradle build process. Guys, I would like to say one thing: don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, and in description section you will see a Facebook group link, and I have a Facebook group, and this is the group. So group name is code with YDC, and I am an Udemy instructor. So if you need any free coupon of my Udemy course, or if you want to join to my group for learning more thing, then you can join to this group. You will get link inside description box. Okay, so don't forget to join to this group. Okay, so here is my, so as you can see, here is my course link. You will see Android app development course, build 5 real Android app. Okay, and I have a couple of course on Udemy, and if I go to my profile, then I will see I have 4 course, and right now 79 reviews. Okay, I think our Gradle build process is complete. Now what can we do? So as you can see, here is 4 course. One is Android app development course, build 5 real Android app, Android office task management app, Android daily shopping list app, Android real world project app. Okay, so if you need any free coupon, then join to this Facebook group. Okay, I don't know why it takes too much time to complete this Gradle build process. Alright, so I think we need to remove all this code here. So I will remove all this code and I will write it. Okay, now our main.dart file is clear. Now I can write it this way. Okay, so import, first we need to import our material dart library, and now void main, and inside this curly brace we need to add our runF function, and runF has an app of widget of material, so new material app. Okay, so what I did here, I just remove all this auto generate coded and I added it. Okay, so that it's look like very clean, and we will create another file so that we can work all this rest of the stuff. So now is go to this library file and create a dart file. We can call it homepage. Okay, now first we need to import material dart, and now we need to create a stateful widget. Okay, so we can call it home. Okay, so this home is this home. Now go back to this main activity, main.dart file. Now in here we need to import our homepage.dart, and in here we need to select our home. Home is going to be new home. There is our class name. So this home is our class name of this home. Okay, so I just separate all this code so that it's look like very good, very okay, so that we can understand it very easily. So this is this home means when our application will open, then this home page will run. Okay, so if you want to run another file, then you can add another class name. Okay, so now remove this container and add a scaffold widget here. So a scaffold widget. Now first I would like to add a app bar. So you can select app bar, and app bar is going to be new app bar, and app bar should have a title. So title is a text, so title is going to be new text, and we can call it navigation drawer, navigation drawer. Okay, and now background color is going to be, I can choose colors dot, I can select red accent color. Okay, all right. So now if I run this application, just hit the run button. Okay, right now I don't have emulator, so I need to open this emulator first. Okay, till that, do one thing. We can add. Okay, so now add a action. So actions has a widget of property. Inside this action we can add icon of button. Okay, so new icon button, and this icon button give us two parameter. One is for icon and another one is for on pressed. So inside this on pressed we can take any action whatever we want when user will click any of this toolbar, any of this app bar icon. Okay, so icon should have an icons. So icon is going to be new icon, and this one is going to be new icon, and icon has some sort of icons. So icons dot, we can select search icon, and for test we can choose this debug print option, and debug print option has, I can call it hey, it's working. Okay, now our emulator is running. So now hit this run button. Let's see what can we see now. Okay, so as you can see, so let me explain it again. So inside this scaffold widget I just added a app bar, and app bar has a title. There is our app bar title, and I added a background color. That's very simple. And I added a actions. Action has a widget or property, and inside this widget we need to add icon button if you want to add some icon inside our app bar. Okay, so we can add multiple icon. Like if you need another icon you can add this way. So new icon button, and icon button has icon property and on press property, and again is going to be new icon, and icon has icons dot, I can choose sent, and just for check on pressed, and add debug print, and in here we can add a sent button. Okay, now I think it's good. So we added two icon button. One is for our search option and another one is for send option. All right, it's take too much time, I don't know. Still it's running. Okay, maybe for first time it's take too much time. Okay, what can we do? We can wait. And guys, please don't forget to join to my Facebook group if you want any kind of free coupon of any of my Udemy course. In this month I will release 2 new courses on Flutter and iOS development. So if you need any kind of support, then feel free to join to this Facebook group. Okay, you will get a group link in description section, so don't miss it. So now I think our application is running. So where is our application? Now we can see one icon and our navigation drawer text. Okay, and now if I check this, now we can see inside this console you can see this message, it's working now. If I click again, then we can see, yeah, it's working message. So okay, now I think we need to do hard reload to see 2 button. Okay, it's not showing. Okay, run it again. Now you can see two buttons. Okay, and if you check this console, now we can see it. So now our app bar is done. Okay, so I can comment out here app bar in. Now it's time to add a navigation drawer inside our application. So for adding a navigation drawer, remember that first we need to add drawer keyword. Drawer has two types of keyword, one is drawer and one is in drawer. If you select drawer, then your navigation drawer will appear in left side. If you select drawer in drawer, then your navigation drawer will add in right side. Okay, so for example, first time I would like to add it in left side, so select drawer. Drawer has a new drawer property. Okay, and inside this drawer has a child of list view, because inside this drawer we will need to add lot of data. Okay, so that's why this drawer has a child of list view and list view has a children of widget. Okay, so now we are done. Now inside the children of widget, we need to add our all this data that we want to add inside our navigation drawer. So for example, I would like to add a navigation drawer header. So how can we do this? We need to add a new user accounts drawer header. Okay, it will give us two parameters, one is account name and one is email name. We can add image icon also, but I will do it later. So account name should be a text, that's why I will add here new text. Okay, and we can add here any code, like for example I can choose code with YDC, and account email should be a text, so new text, and text is going to be, you can call it ydc@gmail.com. now navigation drawer user header should have an background color. So for adding a background color, we need to implement decoration, and decoration has a property called box decoration. Okay, so box decoration, inside this box decoration we can choose a color, and this color is our navigation drawer header color. So color is going to be colors dot, we can choose red accent color. Now run this application. So now you can see navigation drawer icon, and now if I click this navigation drawer icon, I can see this navigation drawer header and email and text. Okay, now if I click here, now if I drag it from here, then you can see it. Okay, so our navigation drawer header is working perfectly. Now it's time to add navigation drawer list of item. So for adding an item inside our navigation drawer, we need to add new list style. Okay, inside this list style we can add our navigation drawer item title and icon. So title should be a text, we can choose new text, and we can call it fast pace. Okay, and if you want to add icon inside your navigation drawer text, then you can do it in two ways. One is leading and one is trailing. So if you select leading, then your icon will add in left side, and if you select trailing, then your icon will add in right side. So for fast pace, I want to add this icon in left side. So leading is going to be new icon, and icon should have an icons, so I can choose icons dot, just I am adding some random icon. Now I think I can change the color, so icon color is going to be colors dot, like select orange. Okay, so I have added one list style. Let me add few more list style. So new list style, and its title is going to be new text, and I can call it second page. So title new text is going to be second page, and it has a leading, and leading is going to be new icon is going to be icons dot, we can choose search icon and choose a color, and color is going to be colors dot, I can choose green color, and add two more list of item. So new list style, title is going to be new text, and we can call it third page, and leading is going to be new icon is going to be icons dot choose print color, and color is going to be colors dot yellow, and add one more list style. So new list style, title is going to be new text, and we can choose foot page, and add leading should have an icon, and icon is going to be icons dot, we can choose chat icon, and color is going to be colors dot purple. And now I would like to add a divider. So adding a divider, new divider, and divider should have an height, I can choose 10.0, and should have a color is going to be colors dot purple. Just I added random color. And now I need to add another list title, that is for close. New list title is going to be new text, and I can call it close. And for this time I would like to choose trailing icon for close button. So new trailing is icon, and icon is going to be icons dot, I can choose close. And for close icon I would like to choose color is going to be colors dot red. So alright, now I think we are all done. Now run this application. So do hot reload, and now we can see, here we go, here is our custom navigation drawer. So now we can see first page, second page, third page, fourth page, and our close icon. So here you can see for close, we can see our icon in right side, and the reason is that in here we have selected trailing. So when you will select trailing, then your icon will add in right side, and when you will select leading, then your icon will add in left side. Now still we need to do something. So if I click outside of this navigation drawer, now it's closed. Okay, it's closed. But what else? If we click any of this icon, any of this item, it's not closed. So how can you solve this issue? So if you want to solve this issue, so for doing this, first we need to import a method, call it onTab method. Inside this onTab method, there is a property that is called navigator dot off. There is a off of context dot pop. So if we add this line of code, then when you will click this first page, then your navigation drawer will close. So do hot reload. Now if I click this first page, now I can see navigation drawer is closed, and if I click the second page, it's not closed. The reason is that we did not add it inside our second page. So I can simply copy this and I can paste it here. I can paste it for all of this list of item. I can add it for all of this item, and as well as it's for on close item. So now do hot reload. So now if I click close, then it's working. First page it's working, third page, second page, and first page it's working. So I think all done. So we have successfully implemented our navigation drawer. So I think that's it for this part. And guys, one more thing, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So if you subscribe this channel, you will get a lot of video course, you will get notification for each of my video, and that I mentioned in earlier in this video. Don't forget to join my Facebook group.